Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing. This is a Bibbidi box. This is their fantasy box, and it's $74.99 plus shipping. Let's take a peek at what we're doing today. Alright, so here it is, in all its Christmas magic. So, Mary and I have been debating whether or not these are January boxes or February boxes. So help me out, throw something in the comments, because I'm honestly not sure at this point anymore. We had so many boxes in December. I got confused because we had December boxes, what I thought, and then we had birthday boxes, but our birthdays are December and February. And then, I don't know, there's hearts on these, but they still have Christmas boxes. So we're going to go through all this, and we have an exciting announcement to make at the end of this video, so please stay tuned for that because it is really fun news and it's going to bring you guys some really cool footage. That's all coming up right now. Alright, so before we get into that exciting news, let's jump into this exciting box. So, like I said, Bibbidi box. This is the fantasy. And let's jump right in, because I want to see. Ready? So, I was out of town in California for a couple weeks, and judging, I think somebody's been in here already. Somebody peeked. So let's take a look inside. We have... I really gotta figure out who makes these cards so that I can tell you. I'll throw a picture of it up on the screen, but it says, "You've stolen my heart." Sure sounds like February to me. Take a look at that. They're very cute. We are definitely going to frame all these and just do like a wall of them because we really like them. And then we've got the spoiler sheet, which we will not take a look at until the end. But there's hearts on it, but I really don't know because this shipped the end of January and they charged for February's on like February 1st. So I don't know, I'm lost at this point on which month is what. So, alright, let's jump right in here. First things first. We already have one of these, but I'm really glad to get it. I really like this. It's a luggage tag, and it is Haunted Mansion. A ghost will follow you home, and it's got the place for all your information on the back. I'm really glad we have this because of the announcement we're making later. We need lots of these, so that's really cool. I'm glad to have it, and this came right from the parks, and I will tell you what the value of it is at the end when we show you the spoiler sheet. By the way, did you see my Duke Kaboom shirt? Got this from the Toy Story canister. If you didn't see the video, check it out. It was very cool. Alright. Oh boy. Turvis tumbler, and it's Maleficent. I will put a good turntable picture right there so you can take a look at it. It feels like stainless steel, I believe. These are super nice, and I'm sure Mary will be taking this to work. Very nice. And I know these are pretty expensive, but we'll find out at the end. Oh, it's really nice inside too. I don't know why it makes that noise, but it does. Alright, and last but not least, this is for me. I was really hoping to get this. I've seen other people get it, and it's like postcards, I believe. I'll put some good pictures up here of the actual case, but let's take a look here. So it looks actually really good, like a book. It even has the, can you see the little cloth in there, like a normal book binding? And then when you open it, oh, it's magnet too. That's cool. It has all of these postcards inside. So I will go through and take the time to take a picture of each of these, and I'll put them up so you can see them all. So it has, let's see here. So just case in point. So this is one. And it says on the back what it is. In this holiday publicity photo, circa 1949-1950, Walt Disney sketches Alice while Mickey and friends take a closer look. So that's where that came from. So each of these has, it's not actually a postcard, it's a regular greeting card, which is pretty cool. And I think that it has the envelopes in here, and it also has the stickers to seal the back of the envelope, so you don't have to lick it like an animal. And let's see. So yeah, so there's a million of these. So it looks like there's 2 of each print. I really like this. So all the prints are in here, and then, yeah, it comes with all the envelopes. And then there's a story on the inside of the cover here, and I will put this up on the screen, and I'm not going to read it because I'm not very good at reading. I mean, I can read, but I don't do it well out loud. I'll take a picture of that so you can pause it and read it, because I'm going to read it in a minute, and I'm sure it's really cool. Anything Walt, I absolutely love. And this is going to look so cool with our Haunted Mansion bookends in here. So we have this Pooh book, and we have a couple actual regular book, or another regular book in there, but we'll slip this one in there, and it's going to fit right in the family. So that is awesome. I really like that. So the spoiler sheet, I'll put this up on the screen for you so you can take a peek. So like I said, this cost us, wait, no, I think I'm wrong. No, this is $59.99. That's what it is. So I had that totally messed up. So the fantasy box is $59.99, and the total, as you can see, is $67.98. So cost us $60 plus, I think it's $6 shipping, so it cost us $66. We got $68 in value, which is a little better than the last one. Still not as good as I would like it to be, but I still like all the stuff. Like, I'm not complaining about the things we get, because we are going to use all 3 of these, absolutely. I'm going to frame every one of these cards and put it up on the wall, because I like Walt stuff that much. I like the history of it all. So there's that. So our big announcement. We are going to Disney, not just any Disney, we're going to Tokyo Disney this April 2020. We're gonna go there, we're gonna do 6 days in the park. So that's 3 days Tokyo Disneyland and 3 days Tokyo Disney Sea, plus a day or 2 to spend in the city. So we're gonna vlog the whole thing. We're gonna do some in-park stuff, we're gonna do some ride footage, we're gonna do some food stuff. I hope that you guys are interested in that, because I really am, and I hear that that park is really amazing. With everything going on in the news with disease, hopefully we'll live our way through it. We already paid for it, so we're going regardless. So look forward to seeing the videos when we get back. I'm really looking forward to giving them to you so that you can check out what we get to see and experience. We are so excited about it. There's 5 of us going on this trip, and it can't come quick enough. I think it's 57 days away from right now, so we're getting excited, and that's why that's cool to have. So we can put another luggage tag on another suitcase. That's it. If you'd like to see last week's video, it was the Ultimate Magic Box from Bibbidi Bobbidi, and it is right there. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, please click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.